Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have seen my previous video, I had mentioned getting moringa leaves and the drumsticks from a family friend. I wanted to share a few recipes with it, hence today's vlog. Moreover, today the sister who comes home to help me is on leave due to Christmas, so it's me cooking lunch after a very long time. I hope you will like it. Keep watching. Mom had been insisting on preparing a curry with jackfruit seeds. We do have a few recipes we make with it, and mainly it's a curry for lunch or a side dish with bitter gourd. Today I'll show you the curry, and along with that I'll make a side dish with moringa leaves, which is very healthy. Mom wanted to help me in the kitchen, but at the same time she's very uncomfortable when the camera is on. So I took charge and prepared all on my own with her instructions that was needed for a curry. The rest of it I didn't need because I prepare often. These are the moringa leaves. I washed and drained the excess water. This is a very simple recipe, but you need a bit of patience for this, that's all. You will need a ground mix of coconut, shallots and green chilies. Add the leaves in a mixing bowl. Drizzle some coconut oil, some salt, and then add the coconut mix. Now mix well till all the leaves are well combined with the coconut. Add this to a cooking pot. Cover with a lid and cook on low flame. Now you will have to keep stirring in between and check that it doesn't stick to the kadai, or else it can burn. Though there were jackfruit seeds, wanted that for the curry. So with bitter gourd that I had just 2 in the fridge, I'm making a simple side dish like how we usually make. Don't forget to mix this in between, or else it can burn and it won't taste good. And also it should be on a very low flame. Now for the bitter gourd, heat coconut oil and fry some curry leaves first along with some shallots. Now add red chili flakes to this. If you don't have, green chilies will be fine. Mix for a few seconds and add chopped bitter gourd. This again needs to be gradually cooked on low-medium flame. Add some salt and mix well. Now cover and cook. During this period of pregnancy, there are certain food tastes and smells I can't tolerate. One such is ginger garlic when it's made to a paste. So that's why I'm chopping them both instead of crushing them. I get the nauseous feeling when I get that crushed ginger garlic smell. I had mentioned in my previous video when I had prepared prawns biryani that my father-in-law eats only fish as non-veg and also egg. And he just enjoys having squid. So bought squid from the market and prepared it today for lunch. My mother-in-law asked me to prepare it in a pressure cooker because that would make the squid soft. I am trying it for the first time and trust me, squid tasted much better after cooking in a pressure cooker. I heated some coconut oil and sauteed enough shallots along with curry leaves. After a few minutes, add the chopped ginger garlic. Saute till the raw smell goes. Then add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix for a minute and then add chopped tomatoes. Give a good mix and then add squid pieces. You don't have to wait for the tomatoes to get soft. Mix well. Add some salt. Do not add water at all. After cooking, there will be enough water in this, which you will see in some time. Cover the lid and pressure cook for 2 or 3 whistles on a medium-high flame. Now these are the drumsticks. I'll remove the skin first, and this is used for the curry. Here are the drumsticks. Open the lid and you can see there's a lot of water. I needed this pressure cooker for the curry, so transferring to a clay pot, which is otherwise best for cooking. Let the water reduce, so keep on medium-high flame and keep mixing in between. Now for the curry preparation, these are the jackfruit seeds that are peeled and sliced in 2-3 pieces. Add that to a pressure cooker. Add water just above its level. Then add turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Cook for 3 whistles on medium flame. Now to add to the curry, you have the drumsticks, and along with that, for the sourness, you need raw mango for this curry. Check the sourness and add accordingly. I used 1 raw mango, which was perfect. Now to the squid, you can ground the coconut to a paste and add it. but I added it as such. I mixed well for some more time till I needed the right consistency of the gravy. For the ground coconut mix, I used grated coconut, shallots, garlic cloves. Now you need fennel seeds, but make sure you add just a pinch. Adding more will not taste good for the curry. Add warm water and make a paste. This is done. When the steam is completely released, open the lid, add the drumsticks and the raw mango pieces, adding a bit more warm water. Mix well. Cover the lid without the weight and cook for a few minutes or until the drumsticks are cooked. Now add the ground coconut and let it boil for a few minutes. To temper the curry, splatter mustard seeds, a pinch of fenugreek seeds and curry leaves. Add the tempering and cover immediately to lock the flavors. This is done. The only help I needed from mom was to drain the rice after it's cooked because it's heavy and lifting something heavy is not permissible at this time. Meanwhile, I was feeling a bit peckish, so having a fruit. And that was our simple lunch for today. And mostly every day this is how lunch is. There will be rice, one curry, a side dish or two, some fish masala or fish fry, and that's it. The morning vlog that I'm sharing now was taken on a different day and not the very next day. Anyway, thought to add this along. Recently, we had gone for a staycation with our friends to Jebel Akhdar here in Oman, and our friends' parents were also with us. Their mom had prepared egg burji, which tasted really good. So I asked for the recipe and it was really a simple one. I guess the taste was in our hands that came from. Anyways, I didn't have one or two ingredients that were needed. So I made slight alterations and prepared a similar egg burji here. Heated some oil and a small piece of butter, then saute chopped onion till it's soft and translucent. After a few minutes, add chopped green chilies and mix. Here I've added a handful of chopped greens, that's curry leaves, coriander leaves and a few mint leaves. Mix well. Add salt and black pepper powder. Now goes in eggs. It's better to beat or whisk the eggs before pouring them into the pan. Gradually scramble the eggs. Now every time when I make egg burji, there'll be water in the pan. So I was told by our friend's mom that you should never cover it before scrambling or even after. Scrape the sides and scramble well. Now for slight wetness, I added a little coconut milk, which is completely optional. I felt it could give a good taste too, and yeah, it did. Now this is done. The main reason why I made egg burji was that had bread which was about to expire in 2 days, so made use of it for breakfast. And that's again another simple breakfast. And that's all for today's video as well. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed creating this video for you. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.